guys, I'll be showing you a quick way to try Vite online without having to install. It's here on the website. Visit Vite, go through the guide, scroll down, getting started. You see the box trying Vite online. So it's on the browser. There's no need to install any or run the command. So let's start with vanilla. I want to see how it looks like to use vanilla Vite without installing it. It opens on Start Blitz where you can find all the files in something that looks like VS Code, IDE, similar to VS Code. It also gives you a terminal where you can install something like Tailwind or any other package you might need during development. So right here, this is ViteJs, and the index.html is the first file that will be opened when Vite loads. Let's say we want to change the text here. You can currently do that at main.js, so you can find this here. It's a document query selector targeting the app ID, this one here. So it's going to inject this text into the app, the hello Vite, and the link to the features of Vite. So let's change that to hello YouTube, and maybe the text to youtube.com. Nice. So you can play around. If you want to install any packages, you can create a new terminal and do that. If you want to just check how it works, add styles, or run anything you want to do, that's all about VanillaJS. Let's say you want to